The parking problem is a serious matter to be concerned about if you are driving a car. There is limited land, and the number of cars is rapidly increasing. Now, who will solve the problem? Cimatech has been supplying automatic parking facilities for more than 10 years. And now, we would like to introduce you to a new concept parking facility. Every procedure is performed automatically once the driver parks the car onto the car lift and exits the car. The car lift goes down to the parking area through the basement floor, and simultaneously, the trans elevator moves to the arriving point to receive the car. The robot mounted on the trans elevator platform enters through the bottom of the car as if sliding, holding the wheels of the vehicle to roll them. Then it brings the car over to the platform. The trans elevator with the car loaded moves downward and sideways at the same time to move to the designated parking unit. Once the car reaches the parking unit, the robot pushes the car into the unit and returns. Once the trans elevator has finished its vehicle entering, it continues its task, moving on to the next vehicle. And an indication is given continuously to maximize the number of cars parked per time unit. The two-stage parking facility has low spatial efficiency and needs a staff to park the car in person, which is not suitable for a car parking facility these days. Also, cars that are already parked have to be moved continuously so additional vehicles can be parked. The elevator-type tower parking has low efficiency with its loading limit, excessive power consumption, extended parking periods, etc. Hence, there are many cases where less than 50% of its capacity is utilized. This facility allows up to 76 vehicles, but we can easily see the upper floor empty, which is not practical. As for this building, it has the capacity to allow up to 152 vehicles, as it has formed 20-step concrete slab parking spaces, utilizing an area where about 20 vehicles may be allowed. The area of the building is 643 square meters. The parking area is constructed with concrete, a high-endurance structure that can be used semi-permanently. It can also reduce the time involved to move vehicles in and out, since the two trans elevators are sharing the same parking space, performing their tasks simultaneously. A mechanical type parking facility generally consumes a lot of power, since it moves the heavy steel pallet that is loaded with vehicles. However, the Cimatech parking system has reduced power consumption with the robots rolling the wheels of vehicles to move them. It requires only 30 kilowatts for 100 vehicles, whereas existing facilities consume about 60 to 80 kilowatts. The control panel manages and controls all operations with the PLC program and maintains an optimal system that does not allow for any error. Also, the balance weight of the elevator is installed inside the column for high spatial efficiency and safety. And this is protected with a patent right, which is a unique feature of Symatec. Automatic direction changing, handle steering, and vehicle centering is performed to provide convenience to novice drivers. Symatec, with its high spatial efficiency, quick vehicle movement, safety, and economic efficiency, is developing and constructing a facility that is suitable to any type of area or construction condition. We are securing efficiency and convenience for unsuitable land and limited space to build better parking lots. Symatec will solve your parking problems better than others through our technology development and field-centered consideration. Symatec will also satisfy customers with thorough after-sales service and maintenance. The elevator slide-type parking facility was first introduced in Europe because of its limited land and excessive number of vehicles. Symatec has taken over Park Italy that developed the elevator slide type for the first time in the world in 1996 to upgrade Korea's parking facility developing technology. Leave it to Symatec for fast, convenient, and safe parking. We will satisfy all your needs.